To a chilling story in Clarendon now. A 51-year-old woman still living in a house which collapsed on her while sleeping 2 years ago. But what stunned authorities is the way in which the woman enters the house on her knees, gripping to the rubble and crawling through a hole. Here's TVJ's Kelisha Williams.
Beverly Thomas lives in the small community of Rock River, Clarendon. Her living condition is far from comfortable. Believe it or not, this is where she calls home.
I think that's one word to describe it: disastrous.
It's all rubble. Her bed nestled under pieces of concrete. Miss Thomas told TVJ News that the house collapsed in 2016.
I was in there this Sunday night sleeping, and I sleep and wake. And when I was sleeping, the house came down on me. I come and sleep in there because I don't have anywhere else to go.
But living here continues to pose a challenge. She has to cook in the yard. And that's not where the problem stops. This curtain covers a hole which is the only entrance, a hole so small she has to get on her knees and crawl.
When I came and I saw what she has been sleeping in for the last 2 years, my heart felt a shock. I couldn't believe it.
Distress, terrible, feeling bad to know that it's a female and it's a human being living in that, and also a registered poor living under that condition.
Mayor of Maypen, Winston Mirage, and a team from Food for the Poor were in the area recently. They told us they have been trying to get help for Ms. Thomas since the house collapsed in 2016.
This project was started 2 years now since the house fell, and then we decided we were trying from a long time to get it done, to build somewhere for her to live. But eventually, things didn't turn out the way we wanted it.
Now, after years of living in fear and poverty, Ms. Thomas is finally getting help.
When the councillor spoke to us about this project, and we spoke to the Poor Relief Department, and they have been advising us about the situation of this lady for quite a while now. But due to financial constraints, I'm glad that we're able to put some funds together today to have this done and to make it a reality.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.